Hi, this is Brian from Tech. I've been with Tech for about 25 years, and early in my career I spent a lot of time in truck retread shops and OTR repair shops training technicians on the proper procedures for repairing commercial truck and OTR tires. Tech's 3-in-1 diamond grinding wheels outlast the traditional grinding wheels many times over, as well as if you drop them, they're very durable and they won't break, such as the grinding stones. The first thing we want to show you is a skive that's performed in the retread process daily. This process is usually done using a low-speed grinder and then followed up with a high-speed tool to grind the steel back tight and get all the damage out of the tire. So keep in mind, we're going to perform this with just one tool on a high-speed grinder to show how cool the tool runs. And still cool to the touch. Next, we're going to show what the tool can do with a common sidewall injury. I'm going to remove the rubber first, and then I'll use the tool to show you how we can quickly remove the steel without scorching the rubber. One of the other things I really like about this tool is how precise you can be in cutting the steel out. Just for demonstration, I'm going to remove one cable that's in between these other two on the sidewall. And if my eyes will let me, I'll only hit that one and not the ones beside it. But the tool lets me do that. So here we go. I'm really excited for you to try these new diamond wheels. They should be saving you time and money in every retread shop and OTR repair shop in the country.